Hi, my Dacor hood has blue light blinking on the control panel. It will not turn on and the blue light is blinking on the fan speed side.
Do you know the model of your Dacor appliance? How old is it?
I bought my hood back in September 15, 2010. The model is A4212SCH.
How long has this been going on with your Dacor appliance? What have you tried so far?
This has been going on for at least 3 to 4 days now. I have tried to press and hold the fan button hoping it would reset itself.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's about all the information I can give you so far.
Hello, I would be happy to help you. Have you tried tripping the breaker off for 10 minutes to reset it?
Hi Austin, no, I have not tried tripping the breaker for 10 minutes.
Okay, thanks. Try this and let me know what happens.
Okay, I will give it a try.
Keep me posted, please.
I tried. But I don't think there is designated breaker for our hood.
It may be on the same one as the range or cooktop. Usually it will reset it. If not, the control board is faulty unfortunately and will need to be replaced. This is the part number 101618.
Did you see the video file I sent you? You think it is most likely a faulty control board.
It didn't come through. Yes, most likely it is the control.
Is it a common issue that happened among this model? Or is this just a sign of normal wear and tear?
Nothing you did cause this. It isn't common, just with age.
Well, I will try to find and trip the breaker so the hood can reset for at least 10 minutes. If it doesn't work, I will most likely order the part myself. Thank you for your help, Austin. And I will keep you posted.
You are welcome. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is You Have a Great Day. Please don't forget to rate me. Please give me a good rating. You may have to go to the app or JustAnswer.com.
I will for sure. I will message you if I still need help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.